here's the scissors.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love the sound of my voice. It just makes me so happy.
I'm gonna pop it.
I really want to hear Sarah. I really want to hear.
Okay. It's not that good though.
That's why you gotta suck a lot out.
Do I sound like Jimmy Nerd? I lost the game. Come on, Allie, say something.
He's on Facebook listening and Matt saying, I lost the game because that little girl was voice.
Not a little girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're 15 now. I can't say anything about it.
How old are you?
That's so bad.
Come on, start a conversation. You're a little lightheaded. Stop.
A little girl like you should be doing this.
It's not illegal.
Well, it feels like we're doing legal stuff. Woo! I mean, lightheaded too. Sarah, try it.
No.
Sarah, try it.
Try it.
Do it. It's my birthday. Do it for me.
Sarah, just try it. Just try it. Just try it. Where is it? Right here. Just put your mouth
This is
out.
all I got left.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Just
Put the camera on Sarah. Sarah, say
Yeah,
something.
it makes me so happy.
I think I'm out. Yeah.
Balloons are my favorite part of my birthday.
Especially ones with helium.
What other kind of balloons are there?
Ones with just regular air in them.
Oh.
Allie.
My voice really needs to hit puberty. I wish my voice was really like this all the time. It makes me happy. You sucked a lot healing your mouth.